what are the kinds of skills that you think people will need to be developing to make the most of the opportunities that AI will unleash?
If you think about the strengths that AI brings, I mean, ultimately it is a far more powerful and advanced tool than we've ever seen before. And so if you think about, I mean, this is tools are what set humanity apart from others in the other species in the animal kingdom, right? They're part of what makes us human. And AI is a rocket ship version of what, say, calculators are to accountants or X-ray machines to doctors. And AI is going to be a similar accelerant, right? So it's going to give us much more agency as a society. It's going to let us achieve a lot more. Um, if we build it in the right way. And I think that's the vision that we need to see with this technology. What is AI good at? Well, AI is fantastic at making clear data-driven decisions. It's fantastic at indexing and searching and presenting knowledge. That's where it really shines, as well as areas where there are significant safety concerns. I think that's where you need automation. I think that's where we have the imperative to bring this technology to life.